ndafeluka. Iwe mwana wanditabusa, wandivuta. Iwe mwana iwe wandiselusa, ndafeluka. Iwe mwana iwe wanditabusa, wandivuta.
told, my name is Kefas. My real name is Peter. Okay, so I wanted to find that name which sounds fancy, but should be the same Peter. So I started searching for my name in other languages. So in French, I have this Pierre. You know, that language of, I like it. I want to learn. I've heard you with this thing, you know. You want to teach me someday, okay, the French. So I searched for another language. I found that in Arabic, it's Kefas. So I think if I asked my producer, this is my producer actually, he produced my album. So I asked him, how does it sound? He says, yeah, it sounds fancy. Yeah, I said, I'll be using this name. I'll be called Kefas on the market, not the music market. So that's what Kefas is, right? Actually, I've been doing serious music since 2017. I met my friend here, very good friend of mine. He's like a brother, more than a brother to me. I call him my manager. I call him my music director. He advises me in many ways, various many ways. I've been taught music by him, all right? Of course, home has prayed a lot about my music in teaching me, but he has opened my eyes to see music in a real good way. I hope you understand what I mean, right? Yeah, so I have recorded an album, but we haven't launched it yet. It will be called Kalumako. Kalumako, it's a Sena word, which literally means your sweat. You know, the way I've struggled to get my music together, recording it, having an album, that was like, to me, wow. I mean, so I just said, I've sweated a lot, okay, to get this album done. So I just said, I'll call it Kalumako, which means your sweat. It'll be done soon and you'll be taught, okay? I will invite you to be part of the launch, okay? So my music deals with Afro tunes, which are blended a little bit with Western tunes. I've learned this from John Clegg, the South African music. I watched one of his interviews. He was saying, you know, when I was playing with Juluka, I used to play South African traditional music. So I told my friend Sipo Chunu, okay, so why can't I bring in some Western sound into the music so that it should sound fancy and appeal to the global audience? I was like, yeah, I think. And Agol also told me this other day that, my friend, when you are doing music, play music for the global audience. Whether you're singing it in Sena or Chichewa, but sing for the global audience. Wherever you can go, when you pray, people should say, yeah, I think, yes, I don't understand the language, but I can feel the music. Someone should, nod the head. I was like, yeah. So I use that kind of approach to my music. Of course, I do gospel music, but in Afro jazz sense. Thank you very much. The next song is called Changela. The next song is called Changela. It's like a warning, okay? My friend, be careful, okay? Changela, be careful, okay? We are living in the end time days, as Christians we believe that. We are living in the end time days, so it's like a wake-up call to everyone. Wake up! The world is going to come to an end soon, okay? Jesus is coming. That's what this song is talking about. So it's called Changela.